Hi, so let's have a look at the fatigue analysis or the life estimation part of it. So, as mentioned in the article, the typical or the normal stress analysis goes as it is, where we define the contacts, if at all it is an assembly, the fixtures, the places where the part will be held, the loads, or in this case, it is a torque condition that is coming on this particular pedal. So this is a cycle pedal wherein we are holding it at locations where it is connected to the crankshaft, and the place where the forces are being applied, the torque is given. So on doing this analysis, we have a good idea of the displacements, stresses, and factor of safety, and any other results that one wants to see. So this analysis proceeds as it is, nothing out of the way. Thereon, we have this thing called as fatigue analysis in the different analysis that one can do. And even in fatigue, we actually have different options, but the one that I'm taking now is called as constant amplitude events with defined cycles. On taking that, I do get an option, or what would be required to be done differently in fatigue analysis is: number one, the material properties, that is the SN curve. This is what I mentioned in the article and it's very relevant here. So we define that particular curve. Either it can be defined by us, or we software has certain curves, we can use it, or we can also derive it from the ASME material curve. So one part is that wherein um, we are giving the details of the material. The second part will be defining the details of the loads or the study from which the loads have to be taken. So in this case, we are taking the loads from the static analysis. Only one analysis is present. If you want, you can magnify it. Thereon, we have the options to define the way the loading conditions are coming, whether they are zero based or they are fully reversed, or we can tell it to find the cycle peak. So those things can be defined, and on doing that, what the only thing that remains is this particular thing where we define the total number of cycles that this particular crank is expected to withstand. We can define that detail over here. That is it. In terms of definition, these are the inputs that the software will need. On doing the analysis or solving this, we can understand the life that has been consumed or the damage that has occurred in this particular crankshaft. Obviously, most of the part of this crankshaft is good, apart from these localized regions here where there is a possibility for high stresses, and that's what is expected, and the damage is maximum over here, which is up to 37%. And on the same lines, it can also tell us the life that has been consumed, that can also be understood from fatigue. So this is what fatigue is all about. It is a great tool to understand the life of components and decide on what is the best warranty life that we can give. Thank you.